Good evening. I have the story Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. And what I love about this story is I love the characters and I love the artwork. I love how they've drawn all the animals. Okay, here we go. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Let's do it this way. Can you see him sleeping in there? His lair is his little spot underground, like his cave, his home. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" Then a hare hops in. They're a relative of rabbits. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought," oh, let's show you the picture first. "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." When he says divvy them up, divide them up to share with everyone. They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Uh-oh, what's the bear gonna do? What's that piece of pepper gonna do to the bear? It's gonna make him Rachoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stops. Bear growls and he grumbles. And he doesn't look happy at all. You've all snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I had none. He whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. When somebody's blubbering, they're crying. Well, I would too if somebody had a party while I was sleeping. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look and see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps and bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. So he was telling them stories. But when the dawn comes, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Well, yeah, snuggled up to him, he's probably nice and warm and fuzzy and comfy. Poor bear. I love bear. So, that's it for tonight. Good night, sleep tight, and happy dreams. Bye now.